All right, how's it going? Look, today we're going to be making this. This is a broccoli dish. On top of it, we've got a nice tomato sauce, a few spices, bit of cheese, bung it in the oven, really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, look, so I've got my broccoli there. I've cut it into this size. I keep the stalk on, and some people kind of cut it there. But the stalk's got plenty of flavour. Do it either way you want. About 1 centimetre of water, a little bit of salt in there. What we're going to do is get the heat on. Lid on that, just 5 minutes, then we're going to drain it off. Okay, 5 minutes max, drain that off. So it's still got a nice give to it, nice and crunchy still. Don't cook the life out of it. So I've placed this in a baking tray. I'm using metal, as you can see, but glass or ceramic also works, as long as it can go into the oven. Let's move on. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here. These three at the back, the big ones. So I've got some red kidney beans. They're from a can, so that's a 400 ml regular size can. What I've done with those, if you're going to use from a can like me, wash them through in some nice cold water. Bell peppers, about 3 cups. I've got yellow and red in there. Of course, add some different colours if you want. And by the way, if you want, get some carrots in here, get some zucchini in here, eggplants in here, up to you, mushrooms, bulk it out how you want. 3 cups of tomatoes. Now, these are fresh tomatoes that I've put into my food processor. If you're not going to do that, you can just chop them up really small, or even you could use a can if you want, but I think the fresh are much nicer. 2 cups of onions cut nice and small, a tablespoon of garlic. Fresh chili to taste, that's up to you. I've got quite a bit in there, but you can adjust that. Right, 1 teaspoon each, salt, pepper, chili, cumin, oregano, paprika. Now be careful with paprika, because you get paprika usually smoked, which is absolutely delicious. You can use that if you want. Hot, which is pretty much like chili, so you'd be putting lots of chili in, or like I'm using today, sweet. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need to start with a pan, skillet or something like that. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. Use any oil that you like. Let's drop in the onion, the garlic, and I'm going to get in now my fresh green chili. Like I say, up to you how much you want to put on. Right, 3 minutes above medium heat. So just 3 minutes there to get it on its way. We're now going to drop in our spices. So let's go with our teaspoon each, salt and pepper. And there's a little recap here. Paprika, chili, cumin, and oregano. Now, pretty much what we've just put in there, you know those packets of Taco Bell or El Paso type packets, you know, the taco or fajita spices? That's basically what it is, minus all the crap colours and preservatives that they put in. So yeah, you can just use that if you're gonna, make something else with that kind of Mexican vibe. Let's get our tomatoes. And like I said, I've used these fresh tomatoes, 3 cups, that I've put into my processor. Get them nice and small. We're now going to go for 5 minutes, and I'll be stirring every now and then. We're well on our way. This is very simple. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in our bell peppers, our kidney beans, and I've got here some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're going to go just for 3 more minutes, stirring pretty much all the time, and this little sauce is ready. Okay, so over it goes over the broccoli. Now, it's not a massively wet sauce. I don't want it that wet at all. And simply what we're going to do now is we're going to get some cheese on this, and we're going to pop it in the oven. That is great. Okay, I've got some cheddar sliced up here, which I'm just going to break into pieces and get it on there. You can use any cheese that you want. I'm going to be using mozzarella and cheddar today. Now you need to get your oven on. Get it on full blast, maximum heat. Everything here is cooked. We're just going to be bringing it together, aren't we? So we know what we're doing here. There's some mozzarella. Now I've got this, the mozzarella that comes in a bag of water, You could use the block stuff, but I think this is a bit nicer. Bit of dried oregano or oregano as a bit of a signature. Put that into a really massively hot oven, about 8 or 9 minutes. Done. Okay, there you go. Just 8 or 9 minutes, really hot oven, all come together. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.